Welcome. In this video, I'll show you the quickest and easiest way to delete your Instagram account permanently. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you need to go ahead and open up your favorite browser and then go ahead and find Telegram deactivation page. Alright, again, Telegram deactivation page. Hit on enter and then scroll down, find telegram.org deactivate. Alright. Click on it. Now go ahead and enter your phone number in here. So let's say, for example, I'm from the Philippines. I'm going to go ahead and add in the country code +63, then 9, and then the following numbers, right? And then I'm going to click on next. Now it will ask you for a confirmation code. So go ahead and enter the confirmation code that was sent, of course, to your phone or phone number. Now, once logged in, it will now say API Development Tools, log out, or just simply hit on delete account. So go ahead and click on delete account. And when you go ahead and click on it, it says if you delete your account, all your messages and contents will be deleted beyond retrieval. Do keep that in mind. All groups and channels that you've created will be orphaned and left without a creator, but admins will retain their rights. Now, please only delete your account if you no longer want to use Telegram. If you delete your account, it may not be possible to sign up again for several days. So go ahead and leave a reason right here, just a simple reason, and then just click on delete account. And after that, you're good to go. That is how you delete Telegram account permanently. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.